Welcome to another one of my educational videos. This time we will be doing solving systems of equations using the substitution and elimination methods. Let's start with the substitution method. First, a review. Remember that you must make one side of the equation equal to one of the variables. Here I have an example. 3x plus y equals 4 and 5x minus y equals 11. The first step that I did was subtract 3x from the left side of the first equation. This gives us negative 3x plus 4 being equal to y. Then, I simply substituted that into the other equation in the place of y. When you solve this out, you must distribute the negative 7 here as you can see. So you get 5x plus 21x equals minus 28 equals 11. Then you'd simply get 26x minus 28 equals 11. Now, you add 28 to both sides, so you get 26x equals 39, which, when you divide both sides by 26, you get x equals 1.5. Now, all you have to do is substitute that in to one of your equations in the form of x. I substituted it into the first one, so you have 3 times 1.5 plus y equals 4. So 4.5 plus y equals 4. When you subtract 4.5 from both sides, you get y equals negative 0.5. And that is how you do the substitution method. As you can see, your final answer is 1.5, comma, negative 0.5, represented in an ordered pair. Now the elimination method. Remember that the opposites can be removed from an equation. An example, 2x plus 3y equals 1, and 5x plus 7y equals 3. Now I multiplied the first equation by negative 5, and the second one by 2, which gives us negative 10x minus 15y equals negative 5, and 10x plus 4y equals 6. Now you add these two together so you can cancel out the negative 10x and the 10x, which edit that out. So you get negative y equals 1 or y equals negative 1, which then you simply substitute that into one of the equations as y. So you have here 2x plus 3 times negative 1 equals 1, or 2x minus 3 equals 1. Now, all you have to do is add 3 to both sides to get 2x equals 4. When you divide both sides by 2, you get x equals 2. So, the answer is 2, negative 1. That is how to solve systems of equations with the substitution elimination method. Now, a bonus question. What is the name of the person that is in the background of every slide? I'll give you some time to think about this. Did you get your answer? If you said Jesus, you were right. But anyway, that is the end of the video.